It's Monday, July 13th. Today is the first day of our camping adventure. Let's go. Time to load up. Packing up the truck, but we have a lot more stuff than we thought we would. So it's proving difficult.
There's a simple way to think of things that hit me. The morning
made it, we're here.
What could have been a freight train was only a ripple on the small of my back. And now that I'm older, 12 months older, I realized all the facts. What could have been a freight train was only a ripple on the small of my back.
Authentic troll, baby.
They're artsy.
We're having a mac and cheese emergency right now.
More cheese from another packet.
Have you tasted it yet? Taste it.
It's just like watery noodle.
More cheese.
More cheese.
And built myself an airplane. I started to fly around.
It is the next morning. We're making our breakfast. A few of us had kind of a rough night in the tents, but we all got woken up by this really beautiful bird at about 5 a.m. So we're all up, starting the day off together. Should be a great day. What'd you do to it?
It's great.
No! No! That was my breakfast, bro.
That's good.
Dad Kid 99, what did you do?
That's good. That means it's like nice and crispy.
You got crisp.
That's the fire taste. It's authentic.
This is not food safe. No, I can't eat that. I have to eat this. This is what Alex has prepared for me.
It's good. Just take off the burnt part. It'll be great.
It's crispy.
Take off the burnt part.
Denny's opens at 7. It's 25-minute drive. but I'm so hungry.
Nothing says camping like eating at Denny's.
It tastes pretty bad, but I'm almost done.
You cut half of it off already, dude.
Look, that's the burn stuff. That's fine.
Yeah, you just bragged about how it was nice and crispy, and then you cut all the crispy off.
Right across my street beside the dumpster, a drifter and a drunkard talked.
All right, so we're here. We're here at the Cracker Barrel. We gave up and we went to Cracker Barrel because breakfast didn't work out. Yeah, Alex burned the croissants. Even though we still ate them. So we're getting a good country breakfast this morning.
Well, it's too much for me. How long must I take it in stride? I'll be the same until I die. I just got to know myself a bit better.
after going to Cracker Barrel, we decided we were gonna go on a hike. And it was super, super gorgeous and beautiful. And we took some pictures and really enjoyed the view and the exercise. Then we went and swam in a lake to cool off.
Oh, something got my foot! Oh, give me my foot back.
And now it's just hot dog time and campfire songs for our last night.
Down at the bottom of the quarry is a diamond for my baby. Down at the bottom of my pocket there's a lonely dollar bill. There's a lonely dollar bill. And I've been working hard to make it, and I've been trying not to fake it, but my hands they are shaking, for the road is longer still. Yeah, the road is longer still. I found a spark in the dark and it moves me along. Oh, moves me along. There's a beat in my heart that will carry me home. Yeah, carry me home. Yeah, carry me home.
Hey, Maddie, can you start filming when it starts going better?
Campsites all packed up. Cars packed with ease. And we're on the road.
I hope you spend your days writing verses on your page. May your life be a Walden Pond swim, taking showers in the cold, and your glasses filled to their brim. And I hope you treat your heart real nice and real smart. May your life be a Walden Pond swim. Can't be worthless seeing stars, buying rocky roads for me and him.
Let me tell you about Bojangles. Now, right here we got the biscuit made from scratch with 49 steps of Southern know-how. That's an authentic Southern recipe. In a day, you think I do 49 things in one day? No. And they use 49 steps for this biscuit right here. That's high quality.
Alright, thanks for watching this epic Maddie Wade Films vlog. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow DabKid99 on TikTok, and remember, go Cox!